Hello friends, welcome to the video number 20 for the Python 3 series. And well, in I don't know about the 5 previous videos at least, we have been talking about lists, tuples and sets. And well, I just want to show you something. It's gonna be hopefully very quick. I just want to show you that you can actually change or exchange between each of these types of collections of data. So here what I'm gonna have a list, a tuple, and a set, and I'm gonna have this variable. I'm gonna call it conversion because well, that's what I'm gonna store what I am converting to. And well, let's start for example with the list, and it's very simple. We just need to say to Python, okay, this is gonna be a list, and then as soon as we open the parentheses, the Python editor is telling me, okay, just give me the iterable that you are gonna convert to that list. So what I'm gonna convert first is gonna be my tuple, and then just to see, hopefully a little bit clearer what is happening, I'm gonna print my tuple, and then the type of my tuple, and then I'm gonna print the conversion and the type of the conversion. Right. So let's save this and run it. Remember, you can just press F5. Unfortunately, the keyboard in my computer has the multimedia as a default, not the function keys. So that's why I have to come here to the run and module. Feels a little bit easier for me. And well, here it is. I have the tuple and then the conversion to the list. So you can see the tuple again. It has the parentheses, and the list has the brackets or the square brackets. And of course, I can do the same thing with the set. Right. So I have the set first, and then the conversion to the list. To do the tuple is the same thing. Just do tuple. And well, we have the set, so leave it there. And you can see we have the set here, and then the conversion to a tuple. Of course, we can do the same thing with the list. So there it is. First we have the list, and then we have the tuple. And finally, and we did cover this in the previous video when we talked about sets. So we can convert the list to a set. So here it is, the list, and then the set. And we can convert also tuples to sets. So here is the tuple and then the conversion to the set. And of course, remember, you can also do a frozen set. Remember, sets are mutable. You can change sets. Frozen sets are immutable. You cannot change a frozen set. So here it is, the tuple first, and then Python tells us, okay, this is a frozen set. So you can actually recognize between a set and a frozen set. Okay. And well, that's basically it. It's pretty simple, pretty quick, but I think it's important that you know that you can actually change between each of these types or collections of data: lists, tuples, sets, and well, frozen sets. And well, that's it. Pretty quick, but as always, I hope that you find this video useful. So thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and well, I hope to see you on the next video.